Welcome to the Ashanti Region Induction event. Today is going to be exciting. We have STEM activities, we have team building activities, we have business planning sessions and prototype development activities.
Today you will meet your mentors, coaches, ambassadors, and STEM coordinators. Everyone here, in fact, everyone in this room is behind you and wants you to succeed. Please take today to really listen and learn from each of us to ensure that your team has the best chance of winning. Everything we give you today is specifically tailored to make sure that your prototypes are successful and that in January you present the best invention to all of us. Gstep is your opportunity. Please don't squander it. Use the next 4 to 6 months to become better leaders and thinkers, because your country is relying on each and every single one of you.
You are the ones that have to take this opportunity, the knowledge that you're going to gain, and really do something special with it. You're not short of ideas. We heard that there were over 8,000 teams that were interested in putting in ideas for this challenge. You are the top 100 teams that have been selected. So the ideas are not short, but the execution sometimes is what troubles us. So that is why we are supporting you, to not only give you resources and materials, but also the support of coaches and mentors who have a breadth and world of experience that they are going to share with you to help you turn those ideas into a reality. It's really important that you embrace that opportunity to work with those coaches and mentors, and know that the teachers that have brought you here, the STEM coordinators that are supporting you, are all behind you.
When our school was selected, we were happy about it, honestly. We were expecting it because we felt like our idea and everything that we sent out was really good.
What we need to do next is to now have a model of the land. Decide what you are going to call this new team of yours, and then decide what is going to represent you.
For the prototype, when we talk about risks, we are talking about anything that your product will do that will have a negative impact on the environment or on you or on your customer.
This year, I'm encouraging every finalist to be courageous, master courage, do all that you are supposed to do to get to the top, as we did last year and then we fell in 3rd place.
I've learned so much today. I've learned on topics such as teamwork building, collaboration, and idea generation. And all these skills will not only help me through my Gstep journey, but will also help me throughout my entire life.
Seeing these people being innovative with their ideas and trying to solve problems in their environment, I feel so happy seeing them and then interacting with them.
Who is going to take the ultimate this year? Is it still going to be Ashanti region, Eastern region, or Greater Accra? We can't wait to see this exciting journey. You feel the vibe?
I feel the vibe.